Sertplas was founded in Istanbul in 1955 by our founder Hasan Serter as a small injection modeling workshop. Today, we continue our journey with production facilities built on 40,000 square meters of land, including 12,500 square meters of indoor manufacturing space. Primarily serving the auto industry, we offer a wide range of products such as trailer lighting equipment, cables, electrical coils, air tubes, and vehicle body parts. We develop high-safety cable technologies for marine and industrial applications, while also producing EV charging solutions under our Volti brand. Thanks to our experienced engineers and dynamic R&D team, we develop and manufacture in-house designed high-tech products with embedded software. In our state-of-the-art laboratories, we subject our products to comprehensive testing. With our quality certifications, we manufacture in compliance with international standards. We export 83% of our production, delivering our products to OEMs and aftermarket suppliers in more than 50 countries. Today, with more than 70 years of experience, we do more than parts manufacture. We work for a sustainable world. As a trusted solution partner of the world's leading brands, we continue moving forward. Sertplas. Further, stronger, always striving for the best.